Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Roblox Studio's channel. Today we will be making horror music for Roblox. So if you want to make horror music for free on Roblox, this is your time to watch this video and learn how to. So I've got music in the game, but I don't want to use this one because it's actually good sounding music. And when I slowed it down, it just doesn't sound like horror music at all. So I'm going to give me a moment. And I'm going to try and find a song which I could use. Alright, so I'm going to use this one, just copy the ID. If you guys don't know how to make music, you can follow the steps. So you go in subject, sound, then you get a separate one. Let me test for now. Just put the sound ID of the sound and it should come up. Change volume if you want, 1 up to 10. Keep it quite low actually, so you guys can still hear me. Playing and testing. Actually no, just listen to it here. And playback speed. So this is what it sounds like. But then if I slow it down, it's gonna sound horrible most likely. Change your playback speed and you will get better music than this, but this is just an example. I actually had this in one of my horror games on one of my alts. You can see how it changes from that to this. You can do that easily if you guys want to see it. There are loads of more tips on my this channel. If you guys don't know what to do in this kind of thing, then please let me know and I will help you. If you go to my group, join, I'll pre-rank you up, see if you're not a bot. And yeah, see you guys, peace out, bye.